What?
He must be traveling in the Crab Nebula again. Reception there is the worst.
Oh, forget it, guys. Looks like we've got bigger problems.
Unknown alien approaching the clubhouse.
I've got it here, too. Looks like a hostile.
NBC,
power up!
Moochie! What's going on?
I don't know, and I'm not waiting to find out.
Wait! No! Don't hurt him! He's my husband!
And Freeda?
I'm so glad to introduce you all to my Moochie Woochie Smoochie.
Charmed, I am sure.
So why didn't I know about this husband of yours?
We just met at one of his concerts. My Moochie is the greatest opera singer in the galaxy. That's right! He's played the Paladonium. He even opened for Brian Adamapple at the Expagoo 99.
Brian Adamapple! Ah, he makes my toes curl. He makes my ears spin. He's just dreamy.
Well, according to the intergalactic commander...
Moochie's welcome here anytime. Hang on, I'm coming. Emergency NBC meeting, now.
Mr. Smith, you heard what the commander said?
Of course I did, and I know just what this Moochie character's after. The commander's prized comic collection. They're stored beneath the clubhouse, remember?
Just when I thought things couldn't get any weirder.
So that's what the commander was trying to say. Don't let him near my comic collection.
Indeed. And now this intergalactic scoundrel wants to infiltrate the NBC clubhouse using my poor innocent sister.
Oh, what a rat's new Fargus! Let's bust him!
Wait! Your aunt is like a delicate little flower.
Poor Freeda. When she finds out that her husband's a phony, it'll crush her.
We have to keep her as far away from Moochie as possible.
And we have to keep Moochie away from those comics.
Follow my lead, NBC. I have a plan.
Oh, Moochie! I haven't felt this young since my mid-300s!
And I feel like the luckiest man this side of Neptune's net. Now, why don't you finish showing me around?
No, I mean, right now I need Freda's help. You see, poor Samantha's been hit with a terrible case of Floozer-Schnitzer syndrome.
I have? Oh, I mean, oh, yes! Oh, the pain! Let me just have a look-see. Oh, my! That's not good! Really?
Yes, so if you could just take her inside the house and keep an eye on...
Fiddle-faddle! I'll do you one better! I'll cure her! Not to worry, Honey Biscuits. You're in good hands. Just give me a few Rhapsodian herbs and spices, and we'll have you back on your feet in no time. Try not to miss me too much, Smoocheroo. This won't take a minute.
All right, now to evacuate this phony.
Not until I get instructions from the commander. With my sister involved, this is a very sensitive case. For now, we must concentrate on keeping Moochie as far away from those comic books as possible.
Oh, I know just the place. Come on, Uncle Moochie, follow me.
I'd better keep an eye on Cathy while Cathy keeps an eye on Moochie.
And since the first part of Mr. Smith's plan went so well, I'd better help him contact the commander.
Lucky for you, I got here when I did. Yeah, lucky. If we don't attack this Floozer-Schnitzer syndrome aggressively, it could Mandelbark your flagons, or Sluseldorf your pectinoids, or worse. My pectinoids?
Cathy, are you sure bringing Moochie to school is the best idea?
Oh, sure, he'll blend right in.
Freeda was right. This Earth cuisine is simply sublime.
I see what you mean.
Oh, hi, guys. Want to be interviewed for, like, my latest hard-hitting survey for the school paper?
Of course, Wendy. Anything I can do to help.
Great! So, like, do you think that Singletown Middle should offer a special class for those students who are, professionally challenged.
Like, yikes, who's that?
Oh, that's my uncle. He must have eaten something that didn't agree with him.
Ooh, I'd love to get his opinion too.
Cooper Jinx, is that what I think it is?
Like, what's he doing?
Oh, he's, practicing to be a mime.
Singing mime.
Bad, Moochie. No, 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 no.
Can't she? They must put a lot of sugar in those Earth parking meters.
Your uncle is a total freak! I am so gone!
Oh, Freeda Weeda.
Just wanted to tell you Sam's treatment is coming along very well.
Why is she telling you about Sam's treatment?
No, because we're married, and married people tell each other everything.
Could we speak to Sam?
Sam's just a little tied up right now, but don't worry, I'm taking very good care of her. What's that taste like, dear?
Oh, minty, with a hint of meat.
No good. We need more wangaroots.
I don't know how much more Sam can take. Any luck with the commander?
Not yet, but this Rhapsodian range expander I've rigged should help. Commander, can you read me? Oh my, it must have dialed the wrong galaxy. No.
Yeah, I'll see if I can dig up some more info on Moochie. Come on, Kath. We gotta get Moochie away from the school. Well, what do we have here? Just a little family situation, Mark, so if you'd please excuse us. All right, I'll go. If you give me your autographed baseball. Fine, whatever you want. Just go, go, go! Right after you repeat that promise into my integrated cell phone recorder. Don't forget to specify the time and date right into the microphone. I figured your family was weird, but what's up with that guy?
Allergic reaction.
Why must you people mock me so?
Moochie, come back here!
Hey, now you owe me a ball and a new cell phone!
We have to stop him! I'll take the high road, you take the low road! I think you've gone far enough, Uncle!
Looks like your little charade is over, Moochie.
You must get me back to the clubhouse! You don't understand!
Oh, we understand exactly what you're after, and you're not gonna get it!
Attention all students! Report to homeroom! Double time!
I tried to stop it, but now you must pay! Now you must all pay!
Chris, do you read me? Oh, I can't get through to the clubhouse!
Sam, are you there? We could use a little backup here.
You're not the only one! Freda's crazy!
Oh, I've almost got the perfect cure for clingindwarfers disease.
Clingindwarfers? I thought I had flus or snitzers.
Exactly. That's what I said. Now get your rest, sweet Petunia. You're gonna need it.
I'll try to get there soon, but I'm starting to think Freda's up to something. Looks like we're on our own.
We could have done this the easy way. Nobody had to get hurt.
Correction! Nobody will get hurt, except you!
The coast is clear.
We can't wait any longer! Let's bust this poser!
Nice move, Uncle Moochie, but let's see how you like my Rhapsodian rumba!
Gotcha! Sorry, Mooch. Looks like the honeymoon's over.
Why do I hear students who should be in class? And why do I see a non-student on school property?
Oh, that's my, uncle. He's, a singer.
Singer, eh? Well, that would explain the bizarre appearance.
Don't worry, ma'am. He was just leaving.
Not so fast! I've been working on a little number for the school marching band, and I've been looking for a professional to help me finish it.
I'd be perfect. Look at these reviews from my last concert.
Principal Rollins, I don't think that's a good idea.
Nonsense! He's perfect! Now, get back to class!
Ugh! Why would Moochie want to go with Principal Rollins?
Why would anyone want to go with Principal Rollins?
Maybe this will tell us. Moochie must have dropped it.
I'll get this back to the clubhouse. Don't let Moochie out of your sight.